Whisk 1 1/3 cup of milk, 3 tablespoons of unsalted melted butter, and 1/4 cup of sugar, and 2 teaspoons of yeast together. Combine 3 1/2 cups of all-purpose flour and 2 teaspoons of salt. Set the mixer on slow to medium to mix everything together. Slowly pour in the milk mixture. Use one of those cups with a spout if you got one. I don't, so I had to stop the mixer and slowly pour it in, being careful not to spill. Once it starts to form together, turn it up to high. Form the dough into a ball. Let it rest in a greased bowl for about 1 hour. In the meantime, start with the coating. Mix 1 cup of light brown sugar and 1/2 cup of granulated sugar with 1 tablespoon of cinnamon together. Set aside 1 cup of melted butter. Cut the dough into 64 pieces. I only made half, so I cut it into 32 pieces. Roll each one into a ball. Spray the bundt pan with cooking spray. Dip the dough ball into the butter, then into the sugar coating. Repeat this process. Pour the remaining butter on top. Cover it and let it rest for another hour. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Bake it for 30 to 35 minutes. Let it cool for 5 minutes, then invert the pan.